Welcome to another guide on preparing for meditation. In this video, we will discuss a crucial step in your meditation practice: disconnecting from digital devices. It might seem simple, but this step is essential for creating a truly deep meditation experience. Let's dive into why this is so important and how it can transform your practice. The need to disconnect. In our modern world, we are constantly bombarded by notifications, messages, and alerts. Even the buzz of a phone can disrupt your focus and pull you away from the inner peace you seek. When you meditate, your goal is to fully engage with the present moment. This means removing any potential distractions that can divide your attention. The benefits of a tech-free zone. Number 1. Enhanced focus. Without your device buzzing or notifying every few minutes, your brain has the chance to settle deeper into meditation. This undivided attention helps develop a stronger, more focused practice. 2. Deeper relaxation. By distancing yourself from immediate stresses like emails and social media, you allow your mind to relax more completely. This deeper relaxation is key to effective meditation. 3. Greater awareness. Part of meditation is learning to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Removing the constant input from devices helps you tune in more closely to what you are experiencing internally. Creating your meditation space. To make this disconnection easier, create a space dedicated exclusively for meditation. I have covered how to set up your meditation space in detail in an earlier lecture, so feel free to revisit it for guidance. When you enter this space, make it a ritual to turn off your devices or leave them in another room. Remember, every time you choose to disconnect from your devices before meditating, you are taking a significant step towards a more mindful and peaceful self. It's not just about reducing noise, it's about giving yourself the freedom to fully engage in the practice without the outside world pulling you back. Embrace this simple act and watch yourself grow, experiencing more peace and clarity with each meditation session. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.